Social media updates and information with your Miami trainers. Today, we're here to share with you information on updating and changing your username and handles on social media. To get started, we're going to go ahead and showcase Facebook. Once you're on your Facebook business page, come to the side and click on Settings where you see the gear. And this will bring you to the area where you can update your username, which is simply clicking Edit and updating your username. Make sure you visit the trademark area and get details from NAR's trademark information when using the word realtor. We'll give you more details on this towards the end of the video. But this is where you would come to save your changes and update your username in Facebook.
The next social media page we're going to be updating is LinkedIn. We have a few places where we can update our information. The first is going to be your LinkedIn title. That's this area underneath our image. We're going to click on the pencil icon, or we can add in next to your last name the additional term realtor, clicking on save. If you would like, you can also update your public profile and URL. You can do so by clicking on the pencil icon. Under Edit Your Custom URL, click once more on the pencil icon, and we can add it in. Clicking on Save to complete the changes. The last place we can update that information is going to be below under Experience. If you have already added Realtor as part of your experience, we're going to click on the pencil icon to add it. If you have not, you can click on the plus sign, add a position, and where it says title, you can add in Realtor. Clicking on Save once you've updated the additional information.
The next social media handle that you can change is Twitter. Here on Twitter, you would come into your profile area, right? Review what your social media handle is. And if it requires updating, you could click on More, Settings and Support, Settings and Privacy, click on Account Information, add in your password if required, and then select under Username, where you can change your handle to the appropriate one or add in Realtor. Once you do that, you would click to save and save your changes. One more thing, we want to discuss with you how you can get the blue check mark on Twitter and what it means. We will be adding this information onto our social media area. So you can visit Miami Realtors website, miamirealtor.com/social media, and we will add this info in. There is such a mark as Twitter Blue, and we want you to see the eligibility criteria, what it means, how to activate it, etc., and look into it. So if you do lose the blue mark, what are the terms of service, etc.? And this is something additional, which is like a subscription that you could get. So we will share this with you. Again, all we do is search Twitter and the blue check mark in case you would want to make sure that your account is verified. But we'll let you know, and we'll put this help center information onto your miamirealtors.com/social media page.
The next social media page that we want to update our handle in is going to be Instagram. The first step is we're going to go into our profile. From here, we're going to click on the icon all the way to the right, click on Professional Account. And from here, we're going to click on Personal Details. Selecting our Instagram handle. Clicking on Username. And we're able to add in that additional feature. For example, first name, last name, and the word Realtor. Wait for the confirmation and click on Done. Clicking back on Instagram. You may also click on your name and add the word Realtor, clicking on Done. Building our profiles and our audiences on Instagram takes time. The verification badge is now available for purchase. It's a way that we can verify our accounts. we're going to be giving out this Help Center verification badges on Instagram page so that you'll have access to the requirements to include it with your profile. We would like to show you how to update your handle in both places from the desktop, and now we're going to move into Instagram on the mobile phone. How can I update it? We're going to locate the button that says Edit Profile towards the middle of your page. And you have both areas where you can access your name and your username to update that information. Once completed, we're going to click on Done at the top.
Now, how to update your TikTok username and handle. You come onto your TikTok page, make sure you've selected On Profile. And once on your profile, you click Edit Profile. Come into the username section, click in, and you type in what it is that you would like to change your username to. Usernames can contain only letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. Changing your username will also change your profile link. So the link here, once your name or your username is changed, will change as well. You can change your username once every 30 days. And once you've completed it, you click on Save. This is how you update your social media usernames and handles. We've covered today Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram on your desktop, Instagram on your cell phone, and TikTok. Now, a couple of additional things that we'd like to share with you. Memberships Marks Manual. This information will be available to you under miamirealtors.com/social media. And links to trademark information are currently available at miamirealtors.com/orientation. The use of the marks and the word realtor and the logo, you can look into how it is appropriate to use it and more here. Notice proper use. We will also be providing to you links on what's your username and how you should be using it and what's acceptable usernames and unacceptable usernames. We also have trademark use on social media, page with frequently asked questions and videos with information, as well as the membership marks manual. All of this will be available to you at miamirealtors.com/social media. Additionally, Christy and I would like to take a minute and share with you realtor trademarks and some easy ways to see how to use it, right? So here we go. 5 key facts. Realtor equals member of NAR. The term realtor should never be used as a substitute for real estate agent. Non-members may not use the realtor marks. Design standards exist and must be followed, and members can use realtor trademarks with limitations, which is why we made it so easy and handy for you to find them.
These are different examples of how not to use the realtor trademarks. For example, we have some for social media, for email, for web domains, and for SunBiz. Make sure not to add in any descriptive words.
The use of adjectives, as you've seen here on screen, such as at luxury realtor, neighborhood realtor, Bob the best realtor in an email, or realtor services are not ways to use the word realtor.
Here are how not to use the realtor trademarks when it comes to places. For example, for social media, email, web domains, and SunBiz. Things like Realtor of South Florida, or Miami Broward Realtor, or Miami Best Realtor, or Miami Realtor Services are not allowed.
What is allowed? Your name, punctuation, realtor. An example, Nancy Fernandez, realtor. On social media, at nancy.fernandez.realtor. In an email, nancyfernandezrealtor@gmail, and a web domain, nancyfernandezrealtor.com.
Here we have where you can find trademark questions for NAR logos and trademark rules, NAR trademark protection program, the NAR trademark use on social media, and NAR limitations on license to use the marks. Take your phone, open up your cameras to access this information. For contact information, we have both the Miami Realtors contact information regarding professional standards at professionalstandards@miamire.com. We also have the contact information for Miami Realtors We can contact trademark at miamire.com when it comes to trademark questions.
Thank you for following through and watching this great informative video. We want to thank you for being Miami members. Always more with Miami.